What up, world? All right, so today, what's today? Today is Tuesday, September 18th. It's like 10:30 in the morning or so. I received the email yesterday on Monday, September 17th at 6 o'clock saying that I would receive my package on Thursday, the 20th. Came 2 days early. Wonder what it is. Also, just to give y'all some time frame while I open this. My first day of class was May 28th, 2018. So after May, after 1 month in, I got my iPad. I posted a video. Go check that out if you wonder what the iPad look like. Pretty cool iPad. Said I'll be back with another video when I get my laptop. Here I am. Here it is. Bust it open. Alright, so MacBook Pro. Now, like I said before, I'm not really an Apple user, but I guess to progress my future, I gotta get into the Apple. I gotta bite the apple. Apple a day keep the dentist away. Anyway, MacBook Pro, pretty nice, pretty heavy. I don't want to shake it up too much. Let me shut up and open it up. Open it up. Got fingernails. That's what I keep them for. I watched a couple other people's videos online. I had some questions for them, but they didn't really show me the laptop like I wanted to see it. Had a couple other questions too, but I forgot what the questions was. So I was gonna answer them for y'all. I see, making this video is exciting, really unexpected. This not gonna be a good video like I wanted to. Like, I planned to make the video Thursday. I had it set up and everything already, but it's last minute. I'm fresh out of bed, wash my face, brush my teeth. Had to get this MacBook Pro opened up, unboxing for y'all. This mug is huge. Let me see. MacBook Pro 15-inch. MacBook Pro 15-inch. Ain't really too much back on here I can give y'all, but that's all you need to know. Can't give them a serial number and all that good stuff. Ain't no telling what y'all thieves can do. Y'all can do some shit with my address. Ain't no telling what you can do with my serial number. Of course, so you got your USB-C charger, and I appreciate this because this can go for Apple and my Galaxy S8 Plus. Alright, so you got your charger adapter. This mug is huge, but it's small at the same time, considering it's a computer charger. Of course, you got your manual, designed by Apple in California. California, hey. Hey. MacBook Pro. I ain't getting into all that. Y'all know what that is, the manual. And then, of course, we got the object that we came for. All right, so we're going to open this thing up. Take this out the plastic wrap. Merry Christmas to me. Christmas in September. It ain't even my birthday. My sister's birthday tomorrow. It ain't even my birthday. I feel like it's my mother's birthday. All right, so check it. So I was wondering if this thing had, because I want to use this to watch TV also, because I got HBO through Comcast, Xfinity and stuff, and I can stream it. So I'm going to have to hook this up to the TV. I'm going to have to go buy some connectors, because as you can see, it has just 4 C ports. So 2 on that side and 2 USB-C ports on this side. Now, of course, they knew what they was doing when this design was built. Oh my God, look at that, it's so gorgeous, so clean. Screen protector. I didn't want to take this off because I gotta go to work as soon as I finish this video. And I ain't even gonna have time to play with it and enjoy it, so I'm gonna leave this on until I get off tonight and come home. Just like a freaking brand new kid. MJ, what's up, dog? It's my dog back there. I don't know if y'all see him or not, but it's my wolf. In the backyard with my wolf. Tell her, MJ, I'm so tired of being broke for real, no joke for real, I lost hope for real. almost start selling dope for real. Not for real. Never sell dope. Just a song. But yeah, man. Full Sail University. Shout out to y'all. Give me my first Apple products I ever had, and it's the best Apple products it seems like to me that's out at the time. This shit's sleek, slim, heavy, big. It's worth it. You want to follow your education, further education, fullsail.edu. I'm going to school for digital cinematography. I graduated September 2020. I started May 2018. 29 months, something like that. It's gonna fly by. Just stick to it. Get in and stick to it. And if you want to collab or something, hit me up. You got questions? Put them in the comments. I think I turned it on because I heard it talk. It said something. I said something to y'all. They said something to me, but it ain't even on. We gonna cover this back up and close it out. Questions, comments, let me know. Oh wait, I almost forgot. It came with, as I was saying, the USB-C adapters, right? So, I mean, it has a USB-C port, so these are a couple of the adapters that it came with. So this is USB-C gigabit Ethernet adapter. So, I don't know if that's too close. I'll zoom it out some. And this one is just a USB-C to USB adapter. So I will pull them out the pack for y'all. If you want me to pull them out the pack and post to you in the comments, I'll do that. But I gotta wrap this video up, head to work, make some bread. Come off, get off tonight, play with the iPad. I'm really looking forward to the Final Cut Pro. Put those in this box. Student edition low jack. Come with low jack. Ain't no stealing my Alright, y'all. Questions, concerns, comments, holler at me. Appreciate your time. Shout out to Full Sail. And I'm 31, man. It ain't never too late. I really felt like it was too late at one point in time, but it ain't never too late. I'm 31. Get out there, do your thing for your future. Tea Time 6. I got poetry on YouTube, so check my poetry videos out. I'm trying to post some everything. Check my page out. Subscribe, like, comment. I'll subscribe back. Let's network. Let's mingle. I don't know. Hit me up.